Good afternoon. My name is Javier Esteban. I'm going to prepare a delicious breakfast in this moment. The ingredients are the following: bread, orange, mortadella, sugar, cheese, coffee, one squeezer, one coffee maker. Okay, the steps are the following. First, chop the orange into pieces. All the orange. And put this in this squeezer to make the juice. Okay, the next step is to make the sandwich. Cut the cheese on piece. Okay, one piece of mortadella. And cut one bread for the middle. Okay, is ready our sandwich. The next step is to prepare the coffee. I put water in the coffee maker. And put the coffee and close. And then go to the stove. Okay, wait 1 minute. The coffee, one plate, and one glass. One plate for the sandwich and one glass for the juice. And other cup for the coffee. and wait 1 minute for the coffee is ready. Okay, continue with the coffee is ready. Then to prepare the coffee in the glass. Okay, the breakfast is ready and the finish eat this delicious breakfast. Thank you. Good afternoon. The news section today is very interesting. The first news is about United States. Russian bombers fighters intercept of Alaska. US military. US military forces detect 6 airplanes and followed them until they left the area. You had 2 Russian bombers, and on Monday they were intercepted to F-22, the commander said. A second group of 2 bombers and 2 Su-35 fighters. The second news is about Colombia. Is Popayán, a city, a beautiful city. One of Colombia's most sacred cities. Popayán is one of the most important cities during the Easter celebrations in Colombia. But it's also very beautiful and has an incredible history. The city has a history of many years and is the capital of Cauca. This city has fascinating architecture and culture. This city is known as White City. The third news is about soccer, FIFA. The FIFA abandons plans to expand 2022 World Cup in Qatar to 48 teams due to political and logistical issues. FIFA is set to ditch plans to expand the 2022 World Cup in Qatar to 48 teams and play some games in neighboring countries. It is except that on June 5, about the FIFA president will announce that 32 teams will play normally as was previously decided for the 2026 World Cup, with 48 teams in Mexico, United States and Canada. Thank you. My name is Javier Estepa. Hi, entertainment section. What's the movie's name? The name is Marley and Me. Do you think this name is appropriate? Why? Yes, I think it's appropriate because the protagonist, that is the puppy, is called Marley, and the second most important is the owner of the dog. What other name would you give to the movie? Why? Another possible name for the film would be My Second Love, because the gentleman, aside from loving his family, he loved his dog very much, because although he was very restless, he was very faithful. What type of movie is it? This movie is family type because it is suitable for children and adults. Then, when and where was it made? This film was recorded in 2008 and made in the United States. What do you think about the locations? Would you add extra? Why? I think that places are perfect in this film. because there is everything. There is sea, there is forest, city, or writer. It seems to me a very complete film. What's the movie about? The film is about a couple of husbands having a dog, but this is very restless, and it's absolutely everything. They think about giving it away or abandoning it, but as time goes by, they have stories and anecdotes with the dog, and they come to the point to love too much. And then the spouses have children and still continue with the dog until he dies. After so many pranks. What's your opinion about the movie? Consider locations, actor, scripts, message, sense. My opinion about the film is that it's the best I've seen because I recommend it to everyone. It brings a very nice message about the treatment we give to animals and how much a person can come to love an animal. Places are very diverse. This makes it more striking because there are seasons of snow, scenes at sea in different places. It should be noted that the characters also play a very important role because they represent the majority of people who have pets. Which character do you identify the most? Why? I identify with the boy's wife because many times one gets carried away by the impulse of anger and rage and acts without measuring the consequence it may have. And many times we retaliate with whoever is least to blame. Thanks.